I'm suspicious about this.
What do you think of that toolbox, Brandon?
This thing?
Yeah.
This thing's freaking sweet.
Merry Christmas.
What? Are you kidding me?
Your first Snap-on toolbox, man.
No way.
Just for you to thank you for all your hard work, all these years. That's your bonus, your Christmas present, your birthday present. My only stipulation is the Harbor Freight toolbox is being donated to like Goodwill or something.
I think I'm okay with that.
Cool. All right, guys.
Oh my God.
We'll get the truck turned around here, get it unloaded. Let's do this.
Cool that it has liners on it so your stuff doesn't slide around. Hell yeah.
Get to put together your own toolbox.
It's like adult Legos. Freaking sweet.
All right, killer. So Brandon likes his Christmas gift. It was great success. Thank you, Derek, so much.
Thank you.
Awesome, dude. Well, hey, you have a great day, man. And
all right, you too.
Enjoy the travels with your other friends getting Snap-on tools.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Back to work.
Yeah, so not only is this drone freaking sweet, look at this. Brushless, lithium ion, 3,000, is that milliamp hours? Probably. One button flips and rolls, yeah. But look at that. Yeah, see what that is? Freaking GoPro. You bet your butt I'm gonna hook the GoPro to this thing and get some good shop footage. I'm definitely gonna hit the flip and roll button with the GoPro on there and see what it looks like. As cool as the drone is, look at this. See this? Oh, I just want to pet it all day. It's bed liner. It looks so good. It feels so good. And look at this, huh? Yeah, none of this flip open BS that never has enough room. Slide open. Look at that, huh? It's hard to do with one hand because it rolls a little too nice. There we go. Look at that. Drawers and drawers and drawers. How freaking sweet. And this stuff is kind of sticky. It's soft and sticky and I don't know, it's really pleasing too. It feels really weird but good. I don't know. I'm so stoked. You don't even know. You can go from this to this. Look at these, look at these. See this? Big, giant rubber bumpers. That way when I'm moving it around and I'm crashing into things because I'm clumsy, my toolbox doesn't get scratched or damaged, and neither does what I run it into. This thing's freaking perfect, man. I'm so stoked. Look at this. I bought my first tool off the Snap-on truck. I've been wanting a pair of these for a while. I use Scott's all the time, but I want my own. The freaking sweetest wire strippers ever. You should totally get some of these if you don't have them. Next is a micrometer. I need my own micrometer. Oh yeah. Look at this. I got Scott hooked me up with this thing. The pliers rack. It's even got a thing. Look at that. I mean, organized is very organized people. Can't swear on YouTube. They don't like it anymore. Look at that. I have come over to the dark side. It's official. And I gotta say, my first tool is Blue Point, so technically I still haven't bought anything Snap-on. So, but I have a Snap-on box, and 2 Snap-on beanies, and a Snap-on pool stick. So I'm doing pretty good. Look at this. Hella lock everything. I'm so stoked. You don't even know. Like, I'm genuinely at a loss for words. Yeah, I'm just blown away. This is so freaking sweet. So I said I was gonna tell you guys, a little brief overview of my holiday, and I kind of forgot till just now. I got to see the whole family, so that was super rad. Everybody's doing pretty well. Went to my sister's Christmas Eve. My dad made the best lasagna ever, vegan lasagna. People that weren't vegan loved it. Like, it was so good. Shout out to you, Dad. You're the real MVP. Thank you. So that in itself was huge. I ate it for like 4 days in a row. Usually when I go to Nevada, it's very conservative, for lack of a better term, and there's not much vegan stuff unless I want to eat, like, or make something out of scratch, which I don't, or eat like lettuce. So that's not gonna happen. Anyway, that was awesome. Found a co-op in Reno that actually has some good vegan food stuff that I normally buy. Yeah, so having good food alone was huge. That was great. Gift giving, I mean, anymore, I'm not nearly as material anymore as I used to be, but got some really awesome things. I think some things were intended for me that didn't happen, which is totally fine. It was fun either way. Yeah, no, it was just a great time. Flights were pretty decent. Spent a day in San Francisco, which was really cool. I learned a whole bunch about San Francisco and about one of the community movements there, and about hung out with one of my buddies that started a huge animal rights group in Mexico, and it's doing really, really well. So I was trying to, just hanging out for one, and then 2, picking his brain on how he did it, so I can learn from that and maybe start something of my own. And yeah, just had a great time. Saw all the family. Super great visit. Super busy, super fast. I didn't stay very long. But yeah, it was great. I had a great holiday. I hope your holidays were great too.
Alright guys, well, we put Brandon's liners in his drawers that came with the box. They're all perfectly fitted for every section. I mean, does your Sears box come with that? No. But overall, it's a beautiful toolbox. Derek gave us a drone with it, and Brandon loves it. I mean, he says it's just amazing. I got a 12 out of 10 gift giving grade rating, so that's worth it. But he loves it, and it's gonna be just make garage life and work more enjoyable every day using it and stuff like that. Now, Brandon has his own box. I got my Snap-on box over there. Now he has his own. Get that Harbor Freight one, given the Habitat of Humanity or something like that, so it doesn't just get thrown away as scrap metal, you know? And cool. So, success. Great success. We'll see you guys back on Monday. We just kind of haven't been really filming this week much because we were just crating up the old machine so we can send that back to Bailey. But next week,
We'll get back on Project Sacrilege here. Brandon will fill up his toolbox, all his tools, and we'll get back to work. So we'll catch you guys next week. Later.